What'd you do? Come here.
Wait, I just saved you. That man was planning to take you back to his cave and eat you alive.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Look behind you, he's gone.
What'd you do with him?
I didn't do anything. Run, he's not dead.
Oh, God. Thank you so much.
Go, I'm gonna go get the poop.
Okay. Firestone. He's got some berries right here. Edible. Oh my God! No! No!
No one will see.